Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on Battlefield 1 PC. First, you have two main ways to connect your controller, either through a USB cable for a direct link or wirelessly using Bluetooth. A wired connection is often the simplest, providing immediate plug-and-play functionality and ensuring all controller features are fully supported. For wireless play, confirm your computer has built-in Bluetooth or a compatible adapter. To connect via a wired connection, simply plug a micro USB cable from your PS4 controller into an available USB port on your computer. For a wireless connection, first, ensure your controller is off. Then, simultaneously press and hold the share button and the PlayStation button until the light bar begins flashing quickly. On your PC, navigate to your Bluetooth settings, select Add Bluetooth or other device, and choose Bluetooth. From the list, select Wireless Controller. If prompted for a PIN, enter 4 zeros. For optimal performance, especially with non-Steam games, consider using DS4 Windows. This free application translates your PS4 controller inputs into Xbox controller inputs, which Windows natively supports. Alternatively, if you play through Steam, open Steam settings, go to the controller section, and enable PlayStation configuration support. You can also add non-Steam games to your Steam library to leverage Steam input for those titles, ensuring consistent controller functionality. Once connected and configured, launch Battlefield 1. Look for a controller icon or prompt to confirm your controller is detected. Within the game settings, you can fine-tune aspects like soldier stick sensitivity, zoom sensitivity, and button layouts to match your preferences. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your computer. Additionally, you can check and update your controller drivers through your PC's device manager for a smooth gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.